Hi guys, thank you very much for watching our tutorial. Let's take a look at number formatting in a cell. To format numbers in a cell, we have to go to the Home tab and on the number group. This is where we do our formatting. So we'll be looking at these icons here and what we can do with them. Okay, so first of all, let's say for example, want to actually attach a currency to this, because these are not just numbers, they are monetary values. Okay, this is selling price, this is revenue, so they are monetary values. Want to make the viewers know that these are monetary values, so we select them, then click on this arrow here, so we can choose the monetary sign you want to put. Let's use the dollar sign. Okay, select this and we have it. So whoever sees this will know that this is monetary value. Okay, then we can also decide to either increase the decimal or to decrease it. As you can see, okay, these are already in two decimal places. You can decide to increase it and make it up to 3. Why you're not seeing this? Because we need to increase the width. Okay, so they are now in 3 decimals. You can also decide to change them to 1 decimal by decreasing the decimal. Click here, decrease the decimal to 1, or remove it entirely. Okay, whichever we want to do. That's very good. Another thing we may want to do here is to use the percentage. Okay, let's say for example we want to get these figures, we want to get them as a percentage of total revenue. First of all, let's get the total revenue equals to press enter. This is the total revenue. Okay, let's just change the cell color to green so we can identify it. Okay, so we want to get percentage of these total revenues, so this would be equals to this divided by total revenue. We anchor it with F4, press enter. Okay, let's fill it down with the autofill handle. Perfect. We may want to reduce this to only 2 decimal places. Just click here, see what we got. Okay, perfect. Now we want to express it in percentage, because these are actually percentages. Just click on the percentage sign here. We have it, these 12%, 5%, and the rest of them. So these are number formattings that we can do on Microsoft Excel. This gives our numbers a very good look. Thank you very much guys for watching.